Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about a Luxor box. Right here it's a subscription box. I just received it yesterday and I already unpacked it because I wasn't sure I want to film this video today, but then I changed my mind. So it's not an unboxing because I already unboxed it, but it's almost like a first impression because I just received it yesterday. I have all the information about it right here, so I'm just gonna tell you what the box is. First of all, it's a Luxor box. It's a Lux subscription box for women that includes beauty, home, jewelry, accessory items and more. Boxes ship every other month, so this was for September. The packaging is seriously beautiful. It's a big box that I'm definitely gonna reuse. It's an extremely heavy box because of the items. What I wanted to talk about is the price. It is $139 to the US, so that's in US dollars. I live in Canada and it's $169 to Canada because you pay an extra $30 for shipping. I wouldn't pay that much money for this. Like if you live in Canada and it's $169 with shipping, and you also have to pay custom clearance. I paid $30 customs on this box. Then you end up paying almost $200, and the value is what they say is over $250. So you're not really having a good deal if you live in Canada. I didn't pay that much for it. I got this box on an extremely good deal, like I can't even remember, but it was extremely cheap. Back in June I paid for it and I received this box in September, and I'm probably gonna receive another one in November, and then I probably cancel it because I can't pay $200 for it. Otherwise I love the box. Like it's, you will see the items. It's definitely beautiful. If I don't think it would be worth $139, but it would be worth like $75 if you can get a good deal on it. What they say is that every other month they curate a selection of 5 to 7 full-size hand-picked products with a value of $250 or over per delivery. Their surprise selections will range from high-end spa products, top-shelf beauty products, jewelry, apparel, home accessories with unique treasures from around the world, and ships to US and Canada. So let's open this box, shall we? Here it is. So I'm gonna start with the extremely expensive item, the one that I think made the whole box, and it is this beautiful Jenny Savit tricolor cobra bracelet. The bracelet is made with 18 karat gold, gunmetal and rhodium platelet brass. Each band measures 5/8 inches. The retail value is $190. And this I love. I think it's beautiful. It's heavy. It looks so nice on the wrist. I don't know if you can see it, but basically every time you move your hands, the bands are moving, and it just makes every movement so beautiful. I love this. She loves it too, but hey, it's $190, so sorry baby. Love the bracelet. I'm really happy I got this box on a discounted rate because the bracelet was worth it. I'm trying to, because I wasn't sure if I'm going to review this box or not, I threw out the card that came with it, but I have a picture of it and I'm trying to zoom in. But yeah, I think this is it. I don't think I can see anything else, more information about this. So I'm just gonna say the bracelet itself is beautiful. It's definitely a must. For me, that was the box. That was the main and best item in the whole box. Okay, next item that we're gonna talk about is a Aura Force Raspberry Voltage. It's super heavy. The retail value is $35. So this is a Swedish, if I remember right. It's a Swedish company. It is a Swedish. Why was I so much better? I could actually zoom in and now I can't see it anymore. So it is a Swedish company, and I can't read anything else, but this is a raspberry motif, and you can see it's extremely heavy, high quality. I haven't tried it with a tea candle in it, but it's supposed to look really pretty as the light comes through. It reflects in this beautiful raspberry motif. It's 4.5 inches across and 2.5 inches tall. This happens every time when the baby sees cosmetics. Like, she just has to eat every lotion, especially if it smells good. No, baby. No, I'm sorry, but it's a bit new. You can play with the box, okay? But no eating lotions and stuff. And try not to break this. This is super heavy. Try not to break it, Bubba. Okay, let's move on to the next item. So what I wanted to say more about this is that it's made of lead-free crystal with an enlarged raspberry texture inspired design. I did say how big it was. Okay, perfect. Let's move on to the next item. The next item was Caswell Messy NYBG Lilac perfume. It's 15 milliliters. The retail value is $25. So part of the Living Florals collection created with Master Gardens at the New York Botanical Garden and senior perfumer Laurent Lejeune or something, derived directly from lilac that you can see and smell at the New York Botanical Garden. Visitors have delighted in the lilacs at the New York Botanical Gardens lilac hill that blossom in sequence throughout the spring. With a delicate floral scent and hints of soot and amber, the fragrance is derived directly from the blossoms of the New York Botanical Gardens extraordinary lilac collection. 15% concentration, plant-based, not tested on animals, made in the US with the highest quality of fragrance oils, presented in a foil-lined bag for freshness with FSC certified paper. Fragrance oil manufactured with solar power in hazel. And that's it. Good to know. So that's why they are so expensive. Good quality products. I love the smell of this. Like this I've used not as a perfume. I spray it on my pillow because I love the smell of lilac. I just love it. So I spray it on the pillow and then it smells like lilac when you go to sleep. It's gonna last a long time. So this is $25. The scent is beautiful, very light, like it doesn't go crazy strong in your nose. We have the Caswell Messy NYBG Lilac Hand Cream, 2.5 ounces, retail value $18. I used it, I've used it, I love this. It's shea butter, it's moisturizing, the scent is very light, beautiful, can't say anything bad about it. I don't think I would pay $25 for it in the store. But I do like it, and I'm really happy that they sent it in the box. Brings the experience of the garden to your home, rich in shea butter, vitamins and antioxidants to restore moisture to dry skin. This soothing and hydrating cream is ideal for daily use, lightly fragrance with delicate scent of lilac, completely describes it. And the last item is the Caswell Messy NYGB Lilac Soap for $10. I haven't used it, I haven't even opened it. It says it's triple milled and provides a rich lather. It's paraben, phthalate and sulfate free. Delicately scented lilac floral soap, triple milled. I said that fragrance with clean and intimate lilac scent with nuances of honey pollen. And the portion of the proceeds from the sale of all these products will support the New York Botanical Gardens work, which is awesome. It also says that the heady scent of lilac blossom is considered a gateway to the wondrous worlds of the garden. So that's the whole box. The retail value was $278. Again, as I said, if you live in Canada and you end up paying $200 for it, then it's not really worth it. I wouldn't pay as a Canadian almost $20 for it. I love this bracelet. Like, this bracelet takes everything for me, as I said. Haven't used the candle pot yet, but it's beautiful and I'm sure it's really good. Hand cream is awesome. Wouldn't pay $25 for it. It's great. The perfume is great and the soap is great. So all over, I have to say that the box was beautiful. I loved it. For the US, if you can get a deal, get it. Like, I don't know if you can still get the September box, which is this one, or you would have the November box. I have no idea. So I do recommend the Luxor box if you can get a deal on it and you don't live in Canada. So that's to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.